Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing 5 online businesses to make money in 2021 and beyond. The best 5 businesses to make money online. And the good thing about this video is that it's what you can apply as a beginner, as an intermediate, or an expert. You can start these businesses, and I will try my best to be as detailed as possible to give you the key things needed in order to kickstart the business at the comfort of your house. While you are sipping drink in your house, your phone will receive alerts of money entering boom, 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 boom into your account. So let's get started. The first business you can start is smash the like button, smash the subscribe button so that YouTube will recommend this video for other people to watch. The first business you can start is becoming a freelancer. Who is a freelancer? A freelancer is a self-employed individual who provides services to multiple clients. Freelancers typically earn money for each job they do for a client, charging project-based or hourly rates. Freelancers are people that take the current job they do and perform it for various clients. A good example is video editing. So imagine one person that edits videos for like 5 YouTubers. So that person is called a freelancer because he or she can work for different clients. Just between 2014 and 2019, 4 million people started freelancing in America. For you to know that the population of freelancers is increasing because their works and their value is increasing in the society. So you too can be a freelancer by performing your current job to multiple clients. What do you know how to do? Are you good in HR, which means you can recruit, or financial services, legal services, business consulting? You can tell people how to do email marketing. You can write, or you are very good with things related to IT services. Are you a programmer, a graphic designer, an editor, either a video editor or audio editor? Are you someone that can build brand logo design or customize a site WordPress? Or you are good in sharing your message in voiceover? Can you engage your audience by becoming a video explainer? Or you are very skilled in customer services and social media? Or you are someone that knows a lot about SEO? It could also be that you can color people's dream as an illustrator, or you want to be translating from one language to another. You can also be very good in data entry or showcasing stories through book covers. Is it graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business, lifestyle, industry? What can you offer to the world? You can become a freelancer on it and start making money at the comfort of your house. Become a freelancer by registering on top websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. These are the top websites that you can register and works will come to you from several clients. Fiverr only takes about 20% commission of the amount that you charge because you are using their website. You can get work easily on Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancing, and become a millionaire by just doing the tasks you already know how to do. Even if you are not so good in a skill, you can go to YouTube and there are tons of tutorials on how to do it. There are several tutorials on YouTube that you can master and go and register on all these freelancing platforms in order to start making money. Remember, you don't have to be an expert in order to become a freelancer. People that are in freelancing don't know everything about the work they do, but they are good enough to solve a client's problem. And that's what's important in order to start your own online business. And people are becoming millionaires by just being freelancers. Another way you can also be a freelancer is to find work listed on job boards. Example of job boards that you can find work are Monster, AngelList, GitHub Jobs, Smashing Jobs, ProBlogger. These are online job platforms that you can just register and you start getting work for you to do and use it to build an online business. You can develop the freelancing jobs to an online business. Another online business you can start is online tutoring. Do you know that since the coronavirus outbreak, over 1.7 billion learners has been forced out of school, and many of them are going online? Hey, the online teaching industry is a huge market. There are several teaching platforms that you can enroll and start making money. You can teach music, math, English, yoga, fitness, nutrition, cooking, home renovation, accounting, business, marketing, writing. Hey, there are several things to teach. What do you know? You can make money from it by teaching other people about it. And there are several websites like Skillshare, Udemy, Teachable, Tutoring, Tutor.com, My Tutor, Yup, Cambly, even Take Lessons, and several other amazing websites that you can teach what you know and be paid handsomely for it. What skill do you have? What is your know-how? Can you cook very well? Is it that you are good in dancing? Or you are good in typing very fast? Are you someone that's very good in making friends? Or you are the chemistry messiah? Or math is what you love most? You can start an online business and make money by teaching your skills, by teaching what you know. We are in the modern world. The online business will keep going up and up and up. It will never come down anytime soon. So join the wagon and make the money by teaching courses to other people. I would recommend Skillshare for you. You can use my link in the description box of this video to get a free month premium trial. During the trial period, you can learn, you can teach at no cost to you.
January 2020, I had one class on Skillshare, my video editing class. That month, I made $2,800 from royalties, i.e. watch time, and $300 from affiliate links, which was a total of $3,105.89. If we add these numbers up, that means that from Skillshare, watch time and affiliates, i.e. just by virtue of the fact that I've got 7 classes now on Skillshare, in 2020, so far, I've made $515,000.
How many 9-to-5 jobs would pay you this in 1 year? How many? But you can start teaching people and make even more than that by using Skillshare, Udemy, and several other amazing teaching platforms. The way most of these websites work is you are paid royalty 50% of the revenue that the student is paying, or they can even pay you 60%, or you can even get royalty based on the watch time, like Skillshare. If you want to get 100% of the revenue, you don't want to share with anybody, Teachable is the best for you then. Teach what you know and start making money. There are majorly 2 types of way to teach. It's either in-person teaching by video calls. This is very common with school subjects or languages like My Tutor, Preply. It's an in-video call that you teach somebody what you know. You can also make courses and put on websites like Udemy and make money too. That's also a very popular way of making money. You don't have to be an expert. Remember what I've told you. If you're not an expert in it, just go on YouTube and get the knowledge for free and teach other people. We are in the modern era. Smartness is the key. Some people are like, teaching is a good idea, but I'm not a good teacher and I don't want to do teaching. There's another business you can do, which is print-on-demand business. You can launch a print-on-demand business at the comfort of your house. Are you good in designing t-shirts or designing shirts in general? You can start a print-on-demand business. Any design that you like, the design is your choice. By using websites like Printful, Printify, Redbubble, even Amazon Merch to start a print-on-demand business. And it's very simple. In fact, you can see on the page on Printify, they're even saying turn your hobby into a side hustle. You have design ideas through print-on-demand. How does it work? Just create your product, connect your product to a store on Shopify or any other website you choose to use, and start selling. The entry barrier is very low. It's almost zero. Put your address, put your name, those basic things, and you can start an online business. What of Amazon Merch? You can register on Amazon Merch and start making money by designing shirts on Amazon. If you think that you don't have an audience to sell to, in the case of Printify, you can use Amazon Merch or Redbubble. So guys, there are several ways to make money in our modern era. Maximize all. You've seen a good number of YouTubers that attach merch to their YouTube homepage. YouTube can do the same thing. To design the merch is not difficult. It can be a word or a symbol or both. and you start making money, you can sell all sorts of different products with print on demand, including clothing, sportswear, bag, hats, jewelry, phone accessories, stickers, kitchenware, homeware, stationery, framed wall prints, and several other things you can sell with print on demand. For those of you that are very good in businesses, you can start the drop shipping business. And that is our fourth point, drop shipping. There are different kinds of drop shipping. There's the typical Amazon FBA drop shipping, Shopify drop shipping, print on demand drop shipping. There are several kinds of drop shipping you can do. The key point is just involving you selling an item, and a website or a company manages the payment, fulfillment order, the headache. In short, they manages the headache for you while you collect the money. Let me give you a very good example with this book. Let's assume that I bought this book for $100 from Amazon or any website. In the dropshipping model, the website will order the same book from AliExpress, Alibaba.com, or from a manufacturer, a wholesaler, in bulk. Because the person is buying in bulk, the price is about $50. So let's assume that the cost of transportation and other business logistics is about $25. So the total cost for the dropshipper is $75, and he will put it on a website or on Amazon for $100. You can see the $100 I am paying minus the $75 cost that he incurred is his profit. So he gets a profit of $25 by just selling one copy of this book. Imagine he sells like 1,000 copies. What if he sells 1 million copies? You can see that is how dropshippers and people in the dropshipping business makes a lot of money. It not even touch the book because Amazon, Shopify, or AliExpress.com, the supplier handles the shipping and delivery of this book to me. So that's a business that you too can start by doing the dropshipping business model. In summary, the supplier or the fulfillment company manages the headache, the hard task of delivering, shipment, return. They manages that, and you enjoy the reward. And you can easily start it by having a store on Shopify. I have link of Shopify dropshipping, Amazon FBA dropshipping video in the description box for you to check it out to have more ideas if you are interested in this particular online business method of making money. The last and not the least is smash the like button, smash the subscribe button so that YouTube will recommend this video for other people to watch. The last and not the least is by selling stock footage on websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Vindivo, Pixabay, and you can make money by selling those stocks of footages of videos, photos that you have lying on your hard drive. And if you don't have, it's a business you can start easily. It doesn't necessarily have to be your own face showing on those videos. It can be videos of animals, of people working in a factory, people dancing. It can be any sort and any kind of video that's within the policy of the website that you can send to this website, and you get paid monthly or annually for it. So please check out Adobe Stock and Shutterstock for you to register on their website and get paid for sending 1 minute video, 2 minutes video, and photos to them, which creators, YouTubers like me, we go and purchase to use in our videos. So you can start it as an online business. You don't need a camera. Your phone camera is enough to start this kind of business, and you start making money online. Thank you guys for watching my video. I so much appreciate it. I have other ways of making money online that's even currently showing now. Check it out to find out 20 websites to make money, and I guarantee you, you will thank me for recommending this video to you. It has even more ways of making money online. Bye.